How interesting. It looks like she puts it in the bark and busts it up and then hands it off to him. Sure as hell. Wow.
I wonder if that's a baby.
Well, sure, it's acting that way, but it's a pretty big baby. I'll be damned. Maybe it is.
That's just too cool.
And she's got herself a food source there that just doesn't
She goes
exist.
and gets the seed, she takes it to the tree, she busts it open, and then she feeds it to him. It's gotta be a baby.
Or a sick male.
I don't think so.
That's a big damn baby.
Yeah. I don't know. But I don't know what else it would be or why they would do that.
Looks pretty healthy otherwise. Yes, sir, that's gotta be what it is.